Hi, I'm Jamie Reed, the CEO of Accusure, a partner of the California Trucking Association. At Accusure, our mission is to reduce your insurance costs. Our core benefit is offered through a free online marketplace that helps you bid your insurance policies each year, assuring that you get the best rates the market has to offer. But that's not all we do. We also partner in ways to bring you risk management techniques that reduce your long-term insurance costs. That's why we're here today at Apex Logistics, where past CTA President Denny Wyatt has sponsored this training video for you. I'm here with Adam Sturr of Master Bodyworker. Adam, our relationship goes back several years to your work with elite athletes in the NFL, the NBA, and the UFC. So it's natural I gave you a phone call a few years ago when my father was out visiting and his back clenched up on him. You see, my father's a truck driver and he was suffering from the long-term effects of his occupation. You came over, you stretched him out, you alleviated that specific pain that he was feeling. But more importantly, you educated him about his body mechanics and his posture in the cab and how he could use stretch to prevent himself from getting back into this position again. We have with us today Mike Mallory. Mike is an Apex driver and a finalist in the 2014 California State Truck Driving Championships. Adam, how about we hop up in the truck and let's recreate the discussion you had with my dad so that other truck drivers can gain the same benefit.
The biggest problem that I see in everyone is the laterally rotated right foot. Okay, because the gas pedal is on the right, we tend to put our right foot more like this and try and push here, where we should be more on straight from our ankle and push straight forward. So a real easy way to fix this, move the heel over about an inch or two. There you go, so you're more straight. Now, when you push that gas pedal, you're getting more force here. The only thing to probably watch out for is in the beginning, as you get used to it, you might push the gas a little bit hard, so you have to kind of relearn what pressures work for you. The left side, your clutch foot, a lot of times we don't use the clutch a lot, so what ends up happening is we end up bringing our foot back and we drop our knee out towards the door. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to straighten your heels, get a little bit more of a shoulder width rather than a wide stance, and match the heels up in almost like a straight line. The next step here with these hips, what tends to happen when we drive a lot, the most comfortable position is kind of this slouchy, almost like slumped over type of position so that we can sit back a little bit. It kind of makes us feel a little bit better, but it is causing a lot of damage. Okay, now, the only thing that you really need to do here is sit up, stick your butt back into the crease so that you're sitting more straight up in the air. The other thing, which is a very big deal, especially for people that are seated for long periods of time, is a wallet. If we are sitting with more pressure on our right cheek, okay, what's going to end up happening is it's going to push that hip bone up. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, so take the wallet out, put it in the console. Okay, the next step here, real easy. You're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Squeeze them real big. Take a deep breath through the rib cage. It allows more oxygen to come through. Okay, let go. Okay, the other big step that I do like to mention for people that drive a whole lot is the hand position. Okay, we tend to drive one side or the other. We want more of a balance. So, as a little awareness exercise, when you squeeze the shoulder blades and you take that breath and you kind of let it go, switch your position. Switch to the left, switch to the right, closer to the bottom of the steering wheel, closer to the top. If you're aware and switch, your body is getting used to doing things from both sides rather than just one at a time. When you're getting out of the truck, it is your responsibility to disengage the damage that is caused by being in a seated position for a long period of time. You want to do this little stretch and this little engagement through the hips so that it will disengage that damage. So, very easy. Foot on the step. You're going to lower your level, you're going to hip thrust forward, engage this glute, and stick this hip out. Take a deep breath, squeeze those shoulder blades, and then release. And do the other foot. And drop a little hip forward. You're engaging the part of your body that's been completely non-existent or not being used while you're seated, and it's disengaging the parts that are stuck in a short position. I want you to remember one thing and one thing only, and it will bring you back to all of the information that we just went over in this video. Feet, cheeks, and blades. Feet, cheeks, and blades will put you into an optimal posture to make sure that your body is where it needs to be in gravity to function properly. With Mike, again, we are going to demonstrate how to do feet, cheeks, and blades outside of the truck. First things first is feet. We want our feet to be parallel, okay? and I mean really parallel. We're gonna shorten our stance just a little bit. There you go. About shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit shorter than that. Any deviation of the foot, even 2 degrees laterally rotated, is not going to work as efficiently as if it's as parallel as it can be. The next step is the cheeks. So all you're gonna do here is you're going to squeeze your glutes or the cheeks, shift your pelvis forward, okay? You're going to feel the pelvis rotate this way, okay? Then from here, you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades back, take a big deep breath through the ribs, and exhale. And there's your feet, cheeks, and blades. So let's do it one more time, really, really fast. It should only take you 3 seconds if you notice it. So feet, cheeks, blades, and you're done. There you go. It is that simple.
Accusure, a partner of the California Trucking Insurance. I'm here with Adam Sturr of
Yeah, you didn't get that, did you?
Please film me.
Joking.
Drop down.
Drop down.
Hips forward.
Forward.
Shoulders
Squeeze
back.
shoulders. Breathe.
That
There
felt
you go.
good.
Yeah.
That felt right, didn't it? Let's hug it out.
Okay.
For more information on how to reduce your insurance costs or on Accusure's partnership with the CTA, please visit us online or call.
To learn more about Master Body Worker, please visit me online.